Hello, my name is Peter Raymer, and today I'm going to show you how to fix D365 invalid certificate errors, right? So if you've used a cloud-hosted dev machine for a period of time, eventually the certificates on these Azure cloud-hosted machines can expire. And so you'll get an error message that looks kind of like this. That you need to figure out and solve. So I want to show you how to do that. The error message reads, unable to proceed with debugging. One or more errors occurred. See the exception details below for more information. The underlying connection was closed. Could not establish trust relationship for the SSL TLS secure channel, right? So this is really referring to the underlying certificate. This is the error message you get when you try to debug on an environment that's maybe old. Additionally, if you're browsing to the front end, right, you're going to see this message here, your connection's not private, and then underneath you'll see this net : cert date invalid, right? So really referring to the certificate expires. Now, what are certificates, right? Certificates are there to be able to encrypt the connection that your computer is having or the server's having as it communicates via the internet, etc. And so those certificates are really important for security, and that's why they expire and just in this case don't have an infinite expiration date. So in this case, the fix is actually really straightforward. We can just refresh that certificate, and you can do that all using LCS. So LCS is lcs.dynamics.com, right? That's the main administrative place for administering these cloud-hosted boxes right now. So if you log into lcs.dynamics.com, you log in with the appropriate user who has access to that, and then you click on your project for your Microsoft Dynamics Finance and Operations project. Then from there, you can click on this 3 lines button, which is the main menu where you can see a lot of different things. Under that, you can select Cloud Hosted Environments. This is going to show you all your Azure cloud-hosted environments that developers use as well as testers will use. And then you'll get a grid that looks like this. You can select your machine, especially if it's been deployed a while ago, that can sometimes run into certificate errors. Then click Full Details. This link will take you to the main page of your environment, and then on that page you can click Maintain and then Rotate Secrets. So what that's going to do is help update these certificates. So it's going to pop up with a dialog that looks like this. Specifically, you want to click Rotate SSL Certificates. You'll select that, and then it'll take some minutes for it to run, update those certificates for you. This is super nice so that you don't have to run some PowerShell script or anything else to update those certificates as you might otherwise. And then eventually, once you've given it a few minutes, you can come back onto your dev machine or in a browser. Either way, go to the F&O dashboard page, right, for your environment, refresh it, and then you'll see that you can now access the front end of your environment. The certificate's gone away. And then if you're debugging, right, you should be able to go back into Visual Studio, click the Start button, and no longer receive that error message as well. So that's really it. The key is to really just go to Maintain and then Rotate Secrets and specify that Rotate SSL Certificates. Hopefully that helps you out. I really appreciate you watching. If you liked the video, click the like button. I also invite you to push the subscribe button as well. If there's other topics you would like to see a video on, please post in the comments and I'll see what I can do. I hope you learned something new today. Thank you.